Hello and welcome to Tech Unboxing Videos. I'm Gil Davis and today we're going to talk about my very first Geek shopping haul. My shopping haul took place at Think Geek. For those that are unfamiliar with Think Geek, allow me to introduce you to Think Geek. Think Geek has been around for 20 years. They started out as an online marketplace for everything geek inspired. However, as of today, they have a total of 23 stores that are located around the U.S. I would like to show you some of the things that I picked up from Think Geek. So let's go in. All right. So here are the bags that I picked up today from my shopping haul, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bags down and I'm going to leave one bag up and then I'll pull things out one bag at a time. So let's take these two bags down. All right, so let's go inside the first bag. What's inside of this bag? All right, very first thing is a PlayStation hat. I picked this hat because I love PlayStation. I've been playing for years. Ever since I was a kid, I fell in love with PlayStation, and as of today, I still play my PlayStation. Let's try it on. All right. All right, so let's see what else is in the bag. All right, look at that. So I picked this hat because my personality is like over the top, and I love arriving to an event or a party being a showstopper or being an eye-catching, having an eye-catching item on. So this was an eye-catching thing to me, and it says Taco Cat spelled backwards is still Taco Cat. And this is an exploding kittens hat. So I'll place this on for you. And I'll take it off. All right, what else do I have in the bag? All right, look at that. This is a NASA t-shirt. So I picked NASA because as a kid, and even today, I always wanted to be an astronaut. I don't know if I ever achieved that dream, but I love everything about NASA. I'm always watching space shuttles, all the stories around space shuttles, so definitely NASA is very, very close and dear to my heart. So I'll place that there. All right, so I found a Deadpool polo shirt. I watched the movie, and I actually have several copies of the movie, and I love that movie. I watch it over and over, possibly once every month. All right, so let's see what else is in the bag. All right, Mario Brothers. I love Mario Brothers. I've been playing Mario Brothers ever since I can remember. You know, back in the 80s, back in the 90s, I've been playing Mario Brothers, and still to this day, I love Mario Brothers. All right, let's see what else we have. Let's bring up the next bag. Aha, look at that. Look at that beauty. It is lovely. So I picked this hat because, again, I always like to arrive to any event. I always like to be the one that wear crazy hats or wild hats. I love the different colors of the hats. Take a look at that. How does that look? This is awesome. This is fantastic. Also, I'm gonna wear this hat with this Mario Brothers t-shirt. This is gonna go great together. I don't know, I'm probably gonna wear jeans with it, but I'm not sure. But I'll place that there. Let's see what else is in the bag. All right, Batman backpack. I love this. Look at the detail on the bottom of that backpack. You see that bat right here? Look at that. That is awesome. That is nice. That was phenomenal. Fantastic. So let's look at the price on this. So the original price says $79.99, but I picked it up for $21.97. It was on sale. Great buy. So let's move everything off the table, and I have one bag left. And I saved that for last on purpose. This is one of my favorite items that I picked up today. You see the bag? Pink Geek. Look at that. So what this is a Pac-Man lamp. Take a look at the box. And right here will tell you Pac-Man lamp. So let's open it up and bring it out so that you can see what's inside. Wow, look at that. Let's take it out of the bag. Whoa, look at that. That is sweet. I love it. All right, and let's place that right here. All right, so let's see what else is in the bag. All right, so inside the bag you will see there's a remote, and the remote basically controls the light, bringing the light up to really, really bright all the way down to a very dim light. And then here's the power cord for charging the light, or just to place the power cord inside in the back of the Pac-Man and then plug it into the wall. Right. So let's talk about how much money we spent and how much money we saved today. So I'll place this to the side. And just to recap my shopping haul today, I spent a total of $157. I picked up 8 different items. I had a budget of $150. I went over that budget by $7.56. I can't wait to set up my lamp. I have clothes and I have hats I can't wait to wear. I picked up things that I knew that I was going to wear immediately. There are a lot of other things that I saw in the store that I really wanted to get, but I wanted to stick to my budget. Subscribe to my channel and click those bell notifications.